Pawpaw Sammy here. I had a young lady reach out to me from South Carolina and wanted to know if the solar steel would the honey be good for candles, beeswax. Yes, it will be. It's good for candles. It's good for lip balms. And the reason being, the reason I do it like this, people, I have crock pots and all, and I used to put it in there and melt it down and play with it and fight it and all this. Hey, when I decided to try this solar steel, I went down to Dollar Tree and bought a little aluminum turkey tray, I call it, with a plastic top, okay? Down in the bottom corner down there, I put 3 holes. I put a napkin for a filter, laid the honey on top of the napkin, and it's kind of hard to see, but if you look down in there, you see that little pot right there? That honey heats up, drips right down into that pot, and believe me, it's as clean and there's no trash in it. You only have to do it one time. I see people boil it and pour it in water or let it solidify and scrape the bottom and boil it and scrape the bottom and carry on without, it's not worth it, people. For $1 and something, get your tray, stick your honey in there with a filter with holes at the bottom, let it drain into something, and you got it made.